Thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video. Hi everyone, Thao here. So a robot vacuum is definitely near the top of my list when it comes to life-changing products that I don't think I can live without anymore. I mean, unless you're one of those people that actually enjoys cleaning, kudos to you because that's definitely not me. Things like removing pet hair and just hair in general, cleaning under hard to reach furniture, cutting down on allergy-inducing dust particles, and just spending less time cleaning. Yeah, those are just some of the benefits that come to mind. Alright, this is the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT T10 PLUS, sporting a white and black design that gives it that stormtrooper look. I've had the pleasure of using this to keep my floors nice and clean for the past few weeks, and here are the 5 biggest takeaways you should know about it. Its coolest feature has to be that it features likely the most advanced navigation system that you will find in a robot vacuum. It uses LiDAR technology with direct time of flight sensors, which ECOVACS says is similar to what you'd find in self-driving cars. So you know they're not messing around here. They're serious about this stuff. The system, combined with their app, ensures that the DEEBOT T10 PLUS provides maximum coverage of your floors with fewer missed spots. So the first time you run the vacuum, it'll automatically scan and drop a map of your floors, which you can view in the ECOVACS app. Mine took just under 3 minutes for this office space. From there, you can set up boundaries or even clean specific rooms only. You can even have it clean around a specific piece of furniture like the kitchen table if that's all that's needed. What's really neat is that this vacuum can also mop your floors. Attach the mopping plate, stick on either the disposable pad or the reusable one, fill the water tank, and you're good to go. It'll suck up dirt and then mop down the area right behind it to give your floors a nice little wipe down. You can't really see it, but the mopping plate does vibrate to sort of scrub away stubborn stains like dried liquids or footprints from your pet. Note that when the mopping plate is installed, it'll automatically avoid all your carpets, so you don't have to worry about your carpets getting all wet and damp. Now, this likely won't replace a mop for really large spills, but for general cleaning and maintenance, it does leave your floors really nice and clean. Oh, something that caught me by surprise, the T10 Plus also comes equipped with an air freshener, so it'll leave your home smelling nice and fresh too. Nothing is more aggravating than seeing your robot vacuum getting jammed by running over a cable or getting stuck and constantly ramming into the same object over and over. Well, I'm happy to say this has not been an issue at all with the T10 Plus. Its object avoidance system uses a combination of AI and the built-in Starlight camera to accurately identify and avoid everyday objects that you might have laying around while vacuuming your floor. It's just nice to know that if you forget to pick up that random charging cable or clear your dog's favorite toy off the floor, it won't be a problem. Once it's done cleaning, it'll automatically return to the included docking station to recharge and also dump all of that dirt and debris it picked up into the auto empty station. All that gunk goes into a mess-free disposable dust bag that's hypoallergenic and fully sealed to make sure no dust particles escape into the air. As someone who suffers from dust allergies, this has to be one of my favorite things ever. Emptying out vacuums is usually messy and leads to dust flying out everywhere. You see, I don't have to deal with any of that here. When it's full, just replace the dust bag, and that's pretty much all the maintenance that's really needed. You might, on the rare occasion, have to use the included hair cutter to free the brushes if they get tangled from clumps of hair, but when that happens, it'll let you know with a voice prompt. In terms of runtime, the T10 Plus can vacuum for up to 195 minutes or vacuum plus mop for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. If the battery gets low before it can finish cleaning, which I don't think will be a problem for most homes, it'll automatically return to the charging dock and pick up right where it left off once it's charged. Besides being used to prevent the vacuum from running into things, the built-in Starlight camera also has a neat trick up its sleeve. It can actually be used as sort of a home monitoring camera. Let's say you're on vacation or going away for the weekend. Just load up the app and you can view your home in real time from anywhere. You can even control exactly where you want the vacuum to go. I've personally been using this to check in on my dog Milo when he's home alone. Turns out this cute little guy sits at the front door waiting for me to come home. The video manager also has two-way audio communication, so I can yell out his name and hear his reaction to really mess with him if I wanted to. What's funny is that this is a feature that I initially wrote off, but it's something that I've used way more than I thought I would. If you have a pet, you'll appreciate this. Alright, that's a quick breakdown of the new DEEBOT T10 PLUS. Robot vacuums have definitely come a long way. The technology being built into them to make cleaning our floors a little less annoying is something you really start to appreciate when you see how much time it actually frees up. Yes, of course, it's a luxury to have, but it really is one of those products that makes life easier and a great way to automate a chore that not so many people enjoy. Anyways, you can pick up the DEEBOT T10 Plus at ECOVACS.com or BestBuy.com. Thank you once again to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here.